To make a call, touch the phone icon and then touch an option to make a call from the call history, an entry in the phone book, one of your saved favorites, or by entering a phone number manually. To dial an entry in the phone book using voice commands, push the talk switch on the steering wheel. Then say call, followed by the name of a phone book entry. When using voice commands, press the talk switch again to cancel. To accept an incoming call, press this button on the steering wheel or touch this icon. To reject an incoming call, press this button on the steering wheel or touch this icon. While a call is in progress, you can touch Use Handset to switch the phone call to the handset for privacy. Mute to mute or unmute the vehicle microphone. Keypad to enter digits for services such as voicemail. Or Hold to place the call on hold. To end a call, press this button on the steering wheel or touch Hang Up. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.